Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. I hope everybody's doing great today. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this video today is going to be all about Makeup Monster's cosmetics. Earlier this year they did contact me asking me to just check out a few of their products, and that I did. But what I was doing was waiting for the perfect time just to share these lip products with you guys. I have been using them on and off on my Instagram, so some of you guys may already be familiar with the colors, and I've even used some of them in videos before this one. So yeah, if you guys have not been following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. That's where you get all the juice and all the tea about everything before I put it on a YouTube video, alright? What I love about Makeup Monsters is the fact that they have very unusual colors and the quality of the product is A1. You guys will see. I'm going to insert a clip showing you guys how durable these lip products are, and I'm also going to include a clip of some swatches. I'm going to be doing this video kind of like a product review, so I'm just going to share my thoughts on the products while I show you guys a couple bomb ombre lip combinations. I have already made a video on my channel about lipstick hacks, and I did include some of my top favorite lip combinations for dark skin. So this is kind of a follow-up of that video, and while I was making this I also thought it would be really cool to actually do a glitter lip lookbook. So if you guys are feeling that idea, please let me know in the comments. Actually, if you're feeling that idea, thumbs up this video. Get this video to 100 thumbs up and I will make a glitter lip lookbook for you guys. And if you have tried any of these products, please let me know in the comment section as well. But without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into these lippies, right into the tutorial to show you guys a couple ombre lips that are really quick and easy to achieve, and they look awesome on darker skin tones. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I get this lip look as well as other ombre lip combinations, all you have to do is just keep on watching. So as promised, babes, here are the colors that I received. I received 5 gorgeous liquid lipsticks, and I'm basically going to do a water test just to show you guys how durable these products are. Can you see that? They're not even moving. I did take it a step further and I used some liquid soap to try to wash the product off to show you guys that they do stay put. So these will literally last you all day. Bottom line, these are the best liquid lipsticks I've ever used, and they get A+ in my book, girl. A+. Jumping into the first look of today is going to be a two-toned bold ombre lip. I'm going in with this light purple. This color is called Tyranny, and it's kind of a lavender kind of color. I'm going to go into the center of that with a pink color called Hook, Line and Sinker. And this is a very bold ombre lip with 2 very bold colors, so I do suggest blending of the edges so that they look a lot more uniformed and a lot softer. But I would definitely do a look like this for a summer makeup look or something that's very bold for a party or something like that. But it's really cute. If you're afraid to rock this like this, don't worry, you can go in with a darker purple, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this dark plum purple. This is called Maroon Masquerade, and I'm taking that over the outer parts where I put the first purple. This is gonna make it a 3-tone ombre lip that is a lot safer if you're afraid of rocking it a little too bold, and it's still very cute. So my next lip look is definitely for my girls who love pink lips. I'm going in with a lighter pink and a darker pink. On the outside, I'm applying the same pink lip I used just now, which is Hook, Line and Sinker. I'm going to outline with that, and then I'm going to fill in the center with Victorian Velvet, which is more of a nude kind of pink. They're not far off, but you can still see that, you know, there's a difference in the colors, and it's just a very cute, girly ombre lip color. I did go in and apply Maroon Masquerade on the outside to make this a 3-tone ombre lip, and I'm gonna blend out the edges of that with a small, you know, eyeshadow brush just to make the colors a lot smoother. And I love this one. This one is so bomb. Really like it. Alright, so this one is probably one of my favorite, guys. You guys know how I feel about red lips on dark skin, so this is probably one of the more popular type of ombre lips. I'm gonna outline with Maroon Masquerade, which is the plum purple, and fill in the center. Oh my god, guys, this color is called Bite Me. It is the best red lipstick I have ever had in my life. It is so gorgeous and so pigmented. I kind of go back and forth with the 2 colors so that they blend very well, and I love this one. You guys know I love red lips on darker skin. It's just very outstanding. But what I'm gonna do is go in with a black liner and just kind of fill in the sides a little bit and do a little bit of shading, and of course go back in and blend that out with that same brush so everything is nice and smooth and just blends into each other. So I just quickly turned that into a 3-tone ombre lip. So guys, tell me which one was your favorite. All right, was it number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, or 5? Comment below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of Makeup Monster's links will be in the description bar, as well as the discount code, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.